with Ye Hai Bakrapur,
Uh, film we saw, we really really liked the film. They actually came to us. ये पहली बार हमारे साथ हुआ है कि someone came to us after the film was made.
Okay.
So the film was made. It was very 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 difficult topics or serious topics have been dealt with in a very simple way. So, and it's all around a goat. Yeah. So there's a lot of very pretty things about the film that you will remember when you see the film. We also, both Coco and I saw it. And Aditya was also there, and we were all thinking, we should do this film. So we called Janki and said, "Yaar, karte hain." Janki is the director of the film, so we called her and we said, "It's a fantastic film. We'd love to be associated." वो हमारे से आए थे कि see if you want to do something. We really think we need to have some good music on the, and we took up the background score as well as the songs. Aditya did the background and we did the songs, and it was a very good experience. मजा आया.
As far as the music scene is concerned, how far it's challenging to work in a Bollywood project as such, commercial project, and while working at a indie music kind of
See,
thing?
there was a time actually when indie music and Bollywood music were, I think, two different genres of music by itself. Bollywood had a particular sound,
Okay.
I think, around 10 years back. Today, Bollywood is not restricted to a specific sound.
Okay.
People like Rahman and Vishal Shekhar and Shankar Ehsaan Loy, all these people have actually brought in a very very contemporary sound to the music of Bollywood. So the sound of electronic drums and sound of live drums or guitar are not anymore alien to Bollywood music. People by and large are listening to the sound of what music sounds the world across.
Okay.
And also people have started identifying with what was called indie music, and indie music eventually is turning mainstream. That's because more number of people are actually listening to different kinds of music, and I suppose that's what has happened. So the switchover hasn't really happened from our side, if you'd like to say. It's more in terms of the acceptance of the kind of music that we do has become a lot wider. So I think that is what has made the possibility for an Indian rock band to be scoring music for films.
So how far you agree with this point that indie film music it is inspired by Bollywood, or it's only the thing peppy number works out in market as such. And if there is a indie kind of music in a Bollywood movie, it is very difficult to digest for a common people as such.
It used to be like Coco just touched on it, but if you get into type of songs, there are times when different kinds of songs work. For example, sometimes there was one time when only Punjabi songs were working. At the most, there were times when only dance numbers were working. So every second song was a dance number. Even now, people when they want to promo, they'll call a promo song. एक promo song करके एक request आएगा from directors and producers, and that promo song will be a dance number or an item song. Basically, something that will play in a nightclub and people can dance to. That will always be there. But actually, what stays through all of this, if you see in any film album or any album, you will see that love songs stay the most, the soothing melody, because that repeat value can keep getting played in the car in your system. You relate to it. It's not just about having fun while you're dancing. Difficult to listen to a dance number at home or in your car and enjoy it while you're driving, but the other way around is very possible. So I think it's not about Bollywood versus independent. It's more about कि कैसे गाने चलते हैं at what time.
Okay.
And some songs like this, fashion will keep changing, but style will never change. So it's like that. So some good melodies will never stop, being popular because people like that. The same kids, even today's kids, I'm seeing like 2022, even they know the old R.D. Burman songs and they love them. It's not that they don't dance to the new numbers, but they love them also. So कुछ evergreen चीजें होती हैं. So our idea has always been to try and create melodies which we can listen to after 10 years and say, अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा बना, चलो. So if that's done, then our work is done. I don't think it's about indie versus Bollywood.
So besides Agni, Indian Ocean is also part of this project as such. So did you get influenced by each other, or there was a competition kind of thing or something of that sort?
Rahul Ram and Amit Kilam have been such wonderful friends for the last. I know them for the last 20 years, and we've always played on the same stage, but probably not on the same day. You know, whether it's festivals or concerts, it's always happened that they've played the previous night or we played the previous night, and we've bumped into each other at airports and